Hello, Team Easy Dating Coach. I'm Mike Goldstein of EasyDatingCoach.com. Welcome. Today's topic is what causes a man to commit forever. This is a big task. First of all, I want to talk about what causes a man to commit for a short period of time so that we can differentiate some of the myths that we think are true versus what is actually the truth. And what is so confusing about this is if you go ask the average man out there, he's going to tell you the myth thinking that's the forever answer. So that's why women are so confused, because the average man cannot truly tell you what he needs for a forever partnership because he's never really sat down and thought about it or interviewed enough people. What I'm about to tell you is based on me talking to 3,000 men and not allowing them to have a surface level answer, but to really get deep into it and say, what do you truly need to commit? And then doing more studies at a relationship seminar recently where it got reiterated the truth. Okay, so first of all, let's talk about the myth of what causes a man to commit. What may actually get you a boyfriend is this stuff, but it will not get you a commitment forever. You may even get married because of this, but that marriage will go stale eventually because this is just not the full deal. All right, so the short of it is, imagine a man being happy in his 20s, 30s. Imagine if you say, hey, I'm not going to bother you. I'm not going to bug you. I'm going to make you a sandwich. I'm going to get you a beer, and I'm going to give you a blowjob. If a woman says that. The guy's like, I think I found the perfect woman. She made me a sandwich. She gave me a blowjob, and she didn't bother me. And he's smiling ear to ear, gets to tell his buddies, and he's like, I found the perfect woman. And he may commit to that as a relationship. He may even get married to that. But that's not truly what he needs forever, because eventually that gets boring. All right? So what we polled men on men that wanted to get married, or men that were open to marriage, or men that were open to life partnership, and this got redone in a seminar where the guy had the same theory as me, who was running the seminar, and said, men, what are you most terrified in terms of getting married or life partnership? And men nodded up when he said, the biggest problem with, or the biggest fear is that she will not be happy with me, and we'll get divorced or we'll have to break up. So a man is terrified that your happiness and your happiness towards him will subside. So the only way he commits, and the men were all nodding in this room, or if he's convinced that in 20 years, 50 years, you are still going to be madly adoring him, madly happy. So what does this look like? So first of all, from the very beginning, you should be picking a partner that you just absolutely adore. That like you worship this, the ground he walks on. And he should be doing the same. That's a good partnership. That is a great partnership when you both really, really adore each other, love each other, and think each other's, the kid and caboodle, the whole thing. That's your right partner. Not where you're like, they're okay. He's pretty good. Good job, good looking. No, you should adore him. Because that's what's going to get you through, the bad year, the pandemic, which is happening right now when I'm filming. That's going to keep you guys in the same household, seeing each other all the time when you truly love each other. So when bad things happen, you go back to, hey, we're on the same team. Hey, we still love each other. We wanted to build this life together. All right. So how do we convince him that he's going to stay happy forever? We do this by being willing to tell him what he needs to do to make you happy. And then when he does it, giving him appreciation. Hey, you'd make me so happy if you took me on a date. Wow, you're so amazing. This date's fantastic. So when you start executing this over and over again and just keep building up this wow, she's always happy with me. Wow, she adores me. He's going to start getting more comfortable with the idea of, I can commit to you. I can commit to you because nothing I'm doing seems to be scaring her off. Nothing seems to be making her adore me less. So she you fully accept him. You would, even the bad stuff, you accept it. You adore him for all these amazing things that he is. You adore the essence of him. If you don't adore him, this is your wrong guy. All right? That other myth of opposites attract, nope. You need similar values, you need a lot of things in common, and you need to adore each other. All right, so over time, you've convinced him that you're going to be happy with him for a long time. That removes his fear. That allows him to commit for forever. Whew, all right. If you have any questions about this, I think I didn't explain it that well, but I'm going to pop this out there because we got to give you some content, and I think it was a mediocre job. Tell me if it was good. Tell me if you learned anything. Ask me some questions so I can clarify better. Love all of you. I'll put another video here or here. Go pick one. And love all of you. See you on Tuesday for another video. Bye.